Yo, what's going on? In this video, you're going to be learning about the greatest investment you can make in 2020. Stay tuned. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikaika Ali'i, aka The Wise Investor. And in this video is actually going to start my personal development series. I believe personal development is just as important as business and any investment you can make in business, right? So in this video, we will be talking about the greatest investment you can make in 2020. Let's begin. So the greatest investment you can make in 2020 is not any business. It's actually you investing into yourself. I believe a lot of people invest into other things and don't invest in themselves. Don't take the time to actually figure out what they want to do in life, who they are, or what their goals, their morals, their values they stand on. And the only way you can find those things is truly investing into yourself. So here I got 5 tips, 5 key points that I want to go over that truly helped me grow as a person at 19 years old, that I believe you guys can take these golden nuggets, take these wisdom nuggets, and go out there and apply them to your life so you can start to invest in yourself and see growth in your life. So the first step, or the first tip we have on here, is this. You are your greatest asset. Guys, it's very important to take care of yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. All aspects of your life must be taken care of for you to be the best you. For you to live on purpose, you have to understand that you are valuable. You are your greatest asset, and you can't let anybody detour you away from you. You have to have laser focus. You have to go out there in life and make your dash count. Guys, we have a DOB and a DOD. We have a date of birth and a date of death. In the middle of your date of birth and your date of death is a dash. That dash is your life right now. What are you doing to make your dash count in life? What are you doing today that's going to add value to you tomorrow? Today sets you up for tomorrow. Are you getting closer to your purpose? Are you getting closer to the end destination you want to get to? Truly ask yourself that. Because a lot of you listening to this video, a lot of you watching this video, give me 1 second. A lot of you watching this video are not even investing into yourself. You're taking the time to invest it into other people. You're focusing on other people's dreams, other people's aspirations more than yourself. Guys, I know you have dreams. I know you have goals. I know you have a vision of where you want to be in the next 5 years. The only way for that to happen is for you to invest in yourself right now. We are in August. 4 more months until this year is done. Look back in the last 8 months. What have you done to make your dash count? Have you been complacent? Have you did nothing? What have you done during quarantine to make your dash count? What have you done during quarantine to grow as a person? If you're not growing as a person, you're only depreciating every single day. You have talents, gifts, and abilities. Don't waste it. God has blessed us with time. Time is so valuable, you can't get it back. Those 8 months before August, we can't get it back. We can't get it back. So you have to go out there today. Don't wait for anybody. Go out there today and make your dash count. You are your greatest asset. Start to invest in yourself. Start to treat yourself as a king, as a queen, and go out there and do it. Live on purpose, be on purpose, guys. We live in a world where people are so complacent, so lost and broken because they're past. Because different traumatic events that ended up happening to them when they were little. I'm here to tell you this. Everybody goes through traumatic experience. Everybody goes through problems in life. They just show up in different ways. Utilize your problems. Use your traumatic events. Use those as your stepping stones to get to the next level in life. Use that as your platform to build your personal brand on. Guys, you guys have to think about traumatic events differently. You have to think about your problems differently. Use your problems, use your traumatic events ultimately to be the fuel you need to get to the next level in your life, okay? You are your greatest asset, and remember that. Invest into yourself, invest into knowledge. Guys, the next tip is invest into knowledge and education. You must grow your mind. You must enrich your mind. Your mind is one of the greatest assets you have. Your mind and the power of choice is what separates us from any animal in the animal kingdom. So knowing that, you have to take advantage of growing your mind, understanding right from wrong, understanding good choices from bad choices, life and blessing, death and curses, understanding these different things so you can ultimately get to that next level in your life. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is wisdom. What are you going to do with the knowledge you've gained? A lot of people is going to watch this video and do nothing with it. That's just the 50%. But I'm looking for that 50% who ultimately want to be different, want to make a change in this world, go against status quo. That's who you are. You're watching this video because you are an initiator. You are a leader. You are somebody who wants to invest into their self, someone who wants to see change in this world. See change in your own world. That's who you are. You're not watching this video for no reason. You're watching this video because you truly believe I have value that you can apply, that you can take and apply into your life today. Invest in the books. Begin to read. Enrich your vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary. It's very important. I didn't start reading until I was about 16, 17. I hated reading. But the key to reading is reading things you're actually passionate about. I started becoming passionate about personal development. I have an entire library of books over here. You can't see them, but I have an entire library of books because I understand the importance of growing, of expanding my vocabulary. I understand how important that is, and I want you guys to truly understand how important that is. Guys, knowledge is power, but it's not power if you do nothing with it. Go out there, find the knowledge you need to make your dash count. Go out there, find the knowledge you need to go out there and make an impact in the world and use it. Take action, take action, take action. Okay, let's get it. Tip 3, key point number 3. Stop investing in the liabilities. There's too many people out here investing in the liabilities. Liabilities is anything that takes away from you. Why are you investing your time into people who don't care about your dreams, don't care about your purpose, don't care about your passions? Why are you investing your valuable time into those people, into those individuals who ultimately is just self-seeking and just draining your time? Why? Why are you investing your time into going to parties which is doing nothing for you but devaluing you? Why are you investing your time into those things? Why are you investing your time into play video games, which is doing nothing for you? Nothing. I played video games my whole life. I can tell you it did nothing for me but keep me complacent in my current circumstance at that time. So I'm telling you today, stop investing your time into liabilities, people who are not adding value to you, things that are not adding value to you, environments that are not adding value to you. Stop investing your time into those things because at the end of the day, you're not getting anywhere. You're not getting anywhere. You're not getting to the next level. You're ultimately holding yourself back because you're making the choice to do those things. You're making the choice to hang around those people. You have to switch your environment. You have to change the people you hang around with. You have to consecrate yourself so you can elevate and get to the next level. Elevation takes consecration. You have to hone in on who you are and what you have on the inside. Stop looking left and right, caring about what other people do. Look in. Look in. The battle is within, guys. It's not around us. You guys have to take initiative. Stop hanging out with liabilities. Stop spending time with liabilities. It's time for you to grow. It's 2020. It's time for you to grow, and it's time for you to get to that next level in your life. Because I'm getting to the next level, and I want to see you get to the next level. Okay? Number 4, you need to have goals for yourself. They say a man who fails to plan plans to fail. That is so deep because if you don't have goals for yourself, what are you aiming for? If you don't have a target for yourself, what are you aiming for? Guys, goals is a target. Imagine shooting a bow and arrow with no target. That means you're aiming for anything. Guys, you need to have laser precision focus on your target. You need to go out there, know what you want, and go get it. You are the only person stopping you from achieving what you want. Success is made in what you do every single day. If you're not doing something every single day that's adding value to you, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm 19 years old. Most of you, some of these people hopping on here is older than me. But everything I'm saying is resonating with you because it all adds up. It's all connecting. The dots are aligning. Guys, it's very important for you to take initiative, to write down your goals. Forget writing it down on digital. Don't do that. There's something magic that happens when you write it down on paper. See your goals. See where you want to be in 5 years. Long term, mid-term, short term. What do you want to do to get to the next level in life? Who do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Who are you? These are the things you need to ask yourself, because if you never ask yourself these questions, who's going to ask you? Who's going to ask you? You need to be real with yourself. What do you want? You need attainable goals that you can get in the next 5 months. What is the income you want to create? What type of environment do you want to put yourself in? How much people, the network do you want to have? These are all goals. Where do you want to travel to? You need to have that childlike imagination. Write it down and get it. That was the key to where I'm at right now. Having that childlike imagination. Having that childlike faith, that believing anything is possible. Because we all fall short. But if you can look up, you can get up. That's what Mr. Les Brown said. It's possible. And I want you all to repeat what I say right now. It is possible. I can do it. If anybody told you you can't do it, I'm telling you right now, get up and go do it. You're the only one stopping you from getting yourself to the next level in life. Last one. Tip number 5. Take action. A lot of people don't take action because they're scared of the unknown. If you're scared of the unknown, how do you know what's going to happen? You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen unless you take action. Taking action is the key to success. Doing things that other people aren't willing to do is the key to success. Guys, you have to go out there and take massive action every single day. Massive action is the key for you to getting what you want in life, for you achieving what you want in life. If you don't take action today, when are you going to take action? Now is the time for you to take action on your goals, the vision you have for your life, the businesses you want to do, the music you want to make, the art you want to make, the speaker you want to become. Whoever it is you want to become, go out there and do it. You're the only one stopping yourself. You are the only person that is hindering your own success in life. Don't blame other people. Don't be that person to blame Susie and Bobby for why you're not doing what you're supposed to do. You're in your room right now. You're in your environment right now, your habitation right now. But what are you doing? What are you creating for yourself? What brand are you creating for yourself? What goals do you have for yourself? Think about these things. You only get older every single day. You don't get younger. You are growing and you are getting older. You have to understand that time is valuable. Take action today. Do not waste your time. Do not waste your time. God gave us a piece of eternity and named it time. God lives in a timeless zone, but he was so generous and loving that he gave us time. A piece of that eternity, and named it time. Literally, we have an expiration date. There's one day where we're going to expire. What are you going to tell your kids about when you have kids? You're going to tell them that you wasted your time? You're going to tell them about the regrets you had, or you're going to tell them how amazing the life you created and how amazing you want them to create a life that is amazing just like theirs. Guys, it's time to have our best day ever every day. If you're not having your best day ever every single day, what are you doing with your life? If no one's going to keep it real with you, I'm going to keep it real with you because I love you so much. I want to see you grow. I want to see you get to the next level in life. Okay. Those are the 5 steps. I hope you guys gain value from this video. If you guys gain value from this video, drop one nugget you got today in the comment section below. Drop a nugget so you can share with the community of people who want to grow. Okay? That's going to wrap up this video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe because this personal development series is only going to get serious and it's only going to get more valuable as we go. Okay? You guys all have a blessed day and remember, make your dash count. Peace.